Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2008 Saab 97X, a vehicle with safety, comfort, and space. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include power-adjustable driver pedals, a memory package, leather seats, cruise control, stereo controls on the steering wheel, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, and this vehicle has fewer than 39,000 miles on the odometer. This Saab has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Now that you've seen the car of your dreams, come see the dealer of your dreams. Sewell. Service, sales, and efficiency so obsessive, you'll want to pinch yourself.